In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find which devices are connected to your Microsoft Teams account. It's essential to manage your digital footprint and ensure your data remains private. Whether you're trying to log out of an old device, troubleshoot an issue, or simply want peace of mind, knowing how to access this information is a valuable skill. Let's walk through the simple steps together. Our journey begins within the Microsoft Teams application itself. Once you have Teams open, whether it's the desktop client or the web version, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of your screen. This is where you'll typically find your profile picture or your initials, which serves as your personal identifier within the Teams interface. This icon isn't just for show. It's your gateway to various important settings and account information. Go ahead and click on this profile picture. You'll notice a drop-down menu immediately appears, presenting you with options related to your status, settings, and crucially for our purpose today, your account management. It's important to ensure you're logged into the correct Microsoft Teams account, especially if you manage multiple profiles, as the information displayed will pertain specifically to the account currently active. This first step is the foundational point for accessing all your personal account settings. With the drop-down menu now open, you'll see a list of choices. Among these, you'll need to locate and click on the option labeled View Account. This specific selection is your direct path to a more comprehensive overview of your Microsoft account settings. Think of it as the central control panel for everything linked to your Microsoft identity, including your Teams usage. When you click View Account, your browser will typically open a new tab or window, redirecting you to the official Microsoft account portal. Don't be alarmed by this. It's a standard and secure process designed to provide you with a dedicated environment to manage sensitive information. This portal is where Microsoft consolidates all your account-related details, from security and privacy settings to subscriptions and of course the devices connected to your account. It's a secure gateway, so always ensure you're on an official Microsoft domain. Once you've successfully navigated to your Microsoft account portal, you'll typically be greeted by a dashboard with various categories and options. On the left-hand side of this page, you should see a navigation panel. This panel organizes different sections of your account for easy access. Scan through these options until you find and click on Devices. This is the section we're specifically interested in. Upon clicking Devices, the main content area of the page will populate with a list of all devices that are currently, or have recently been, signed into your Microsoft account. For each device listed, you'll often see details such as the device name, the last time it was actively used, and sometimes even its approximate location. This is where you can identify any unfamiliar devices that shouldn't have access to your account. If you spot a device you don't recognize, you'll usually have the option to remotely sign out or unlink it, which is a crucial security measure. Regularly reviewing this list helps maintain the integrity and security of your Microsoft Teams account. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can confidently find and review all the devices connected to your Microsoft Teams account. This simple process empowers you to maintain control over your account's security and privacy, giving you the ability to identify and manage any unauthorized access. Make it a habit to check this list periodically, especially if you use Teams across multiple devices or public computers. Staying informed is your best defense against potential security risks. Thank you for watching.